In this video, we will see the different options in the stamping in the Generator Sheet Metal Design Workbench. How engineers do it.
Before we start today's video, I would like to ask all my viewers to subscribe to my YouTube channel How Engineers Do It. So share the video among all of your friends and also hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Firstly, keep a sheet metal wall ready here so that you can try the different options in the stamping. Firstly, we will see the surface stamping. For doing the surface stamp, go for the stamping and you can see the different options here. Initially, you need to have a base sketch, so I will go for elongated hole. Exit the sketch. So when you are doing the surface stamping, just make sure that your sketch is closed. Go for the stamping, surface stamping, and select the profile that you would like to stamp. Click on the preview. As you can see here, a stamping is being done. As you know, stamping is a process in which a sheet is punched with a press tool, as you can see here. So if you try changing the value, maybe by 10 mm, you can see that the height is being changed. Similarly, you can change the values of radius, value of radius 2 by 5 mm, the angle by 45 degrees. Just have a look how the profile changes. As you can see, the inclination is being changed to 45 degrees. And that are the different options in the surface stamping.